In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for marketing. Whether you're new to digital marketing or a seasoned professional looking for ways to streamline your workflow, this will guide you seamlessly through setting up and optimizing your projects using Monday.com. Let's get started by creating a dedicated marketing workspace within Monday.com. This first step is crucial because it will serve as your command center for all things marketing. Within this workspace, you'll want to set up folders for key marketing areas. Consider including folders for campaigns, which will house all your specific marketing endeavors, a content calendar to keep track of planned publications and their statuses, social media, where you'll manage your various platforms, as well as folders for ads and promotions. Don't forget to set up a folder for analytics and reporting, which will be an invaluable resource for tracking metrics and understanding the results of your campaigns. Next, let's dive into building a campaigns board to track all your marketing projects. Here, you'll add a range of customizable columns to suit your specific needs. Start with a column for campaign name, where you can clearly note what each campaign is focused on. Include a channel column with drop-down options like email, social, and ads, so you know exactly where each campaign is being pushed. The status column will help you track a campaign's progress with labels like planned, in progress, launched, and completed. Finally, add columns for start date and end date, budget, and owner to make sure every aspect of your campaigns is organized and easily accessible. Moving along, it's time to create a content calendar using either the calendar view or timeline view in Monday.com. Include columns such as content title and type, for example, blog, video, social post, or email, so you know what kind of content is going out. Add additional details like the platform, which might be Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, the due date, and publish date, along with a status column that tracks if the content is in draft, scheduled, or published stages. For handling your social media tasks, you can create a dedicated social media board or integrate these tasks within your content calendar. Automations can dramatically improve your efficiency here. Consider setting up automatic notifications to alert your social media manager when a post is marked as scheduled, or notify your team when a published date is upon you. Now, let's turn to tracking your ads and promotions through a well-organized paid ads board. This board should include columns for everything from the campaign name to the platform it's running on. Use the budget versus spend column enabled with a formula option to keep an eye on finances and track clicks, conversions, and ROI to measure effectiveness. To further streamline your marketing efforts, consider automating repetitive tasks. You might automate the movement of items between groups when a campaign is launched, or use notifications to alert a team member when a task is overdue. Also, setting up alerts when budget spending surpasses a certain limit can save significant resources. Finally, for comprehensive insights, leverage dashboards that include widgets for campaign progress, budget tracking, content performance, and team workload. By using these widgets, you gain a real-time snapshot of your marketing effectiveness graphically presented, which helps in making informed decisions and adjustments on the fly. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering the use of Monday.com for your marketing needs, ensuring your projects are organized, efficient, and most importantly,